Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Gemini 2.0 predictive features for market trends. So just tap on my Gemini application on my iOS device, which is 2.0 version, and I will just ask to predict some of my question like tell me prediction of 2024 highest business market generate high profits. So let's see the answer. So the business market is consistently evolving, and several sectors are poised for significant growth and profitability in 2024. Here are some of most promising areas like technology services and software development. And here is the e-commerce, healthcare, and renewable energy. And number five is the most common is artificial intelligence, which is AI. AI is a transforming industries by automating tasks, improving decisions making, and enabling new products and services. And businesses that develop AI powered solutions for various sectors are expected to see significant growth. So the Gemini is also a AI tool which is helping to automate tasks and making decisions for your business. So this is you can just use for prediction for the market trends. That's it. This video help you, please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.